Well, welcome to the Bloomington, Indiana Nature Outdoor Classroom brief tour here. We have a fenced area going through the door and above arbor, ready for growing things. And here's a panoramic shot here around the general area. So we have this flush deck here, a little step up from the sidewalk, about 3.5 to 4 inches. The turf is flush around the edges. We have a couple of benches, a seating area here. Beyond the arbor, we have a musical area here with a marimba, a gambira, and these instruments are attached to sonotubes set in concrete, bracketed, more or less installed seasonally, and a wheelchair accessible ramp. Going up the ramp flush to this larger geometric deck with the ASTM F1951 playground mulch flushing out with the deck edges around. And in the back here we've got a trellis, a growing trellis, vines and birdhouses on top of these posts. Stepping blocks. Water Explorer, we'll set that up in its final location. Okay.